This is the Carver 42 Mariner, 2004, offered at $199 with Bayport Yachts. Major price reduction from $269. Full electronics, radar, GPS, autopilot, VHF radio, and also a bow thruster. Off to the starboard side is the refrigerator ice maker and the wet bar. Kidney-shaped table towards the aft of the flybridge. Moving down 2 steps, you'll notice the cockpit. Very large, spacious cockpit. Good for fishing, entertaining. Extremely large walk-through door. A little over a 6-foot slider that you move through. Off to the starboard side are incliners. Notice the deep cherry wood interior with black countertops. Maple galley flooring. Off to the port side is the entertainment center with upgraded stereo unit, DVD player, salon pull-out sofa, bed, raised galley. With this boat, you truly have a view 360 degrees with all the double-tiered windows. Galley with black countertops, coffee maker, convection microwave oven, refrigerator, large galley storage in the floor, 2 pull-out cabinets. This is the 2 stateroom floor plan. Off to the port side, it's twin bunks that can make into a queen-size berth. Forward berth is a queen full walk-around bed with air conditioning and television. Off to the starboard side is the head with an enclosed shower and vacuum flush head. Contact Jerry Wheeler at Bayport Yachts, 949-375-2323 for a showing today. The boat is located in Newport Beach, California. Thank you.